Welcome Brick fans to the Gladiator Battle Arena. Two different guards right here. They're the ones who are guarding the back entrance to the arena itself. And of course, anybody who tries to get in there will have to fight both of them. This is just one side of this whole panel. Here is the second side, and there is 3 different panels supporting it. Over here is the front actual entrance to the arena itself. There's 2 different battle guardians who are preventing anybody from going up or down those stairs. Now those stairs are very important because when the gladiators come in, they'll have to go up the stairs to the arena itself, which is going to be on the 2nd floor of this monster creation. Now those are the supporting tiles created Roman style. So the second arena is the top. This is actually the arena itself. The bottom is just the foundation for it. So the way it's actually built is kind of neat. There is the staircase that leads all the way up here, and they come up from this hole right there. And of course they can go down as well, down this hole. There is 2 different side pins. Those are called special pins, and when they fight with each other, they can kind of like sprint toward each other and fight off even better. And of course you can just drop somebody right in the pin itself. I don't know if it's gonna hurt them or not, no idea, but those spikes of course are definitely painful. So here they are, they can fight each other right here. There's 2 gladiators right there. There is 2 ways for them to win this particular battle. One, throw one of the gladiators right off the arena, oops, all the way to the bottom. 2, of course, is for him to fall down the stairs, and here it is. I tried to make him fall down the stairs. Anyway, he got stuck in there because of the weapon, so he will have to push him back in there. So those are the 2 ways for them to actually fight it off and win. So either throw them down the stairs, or of course kill him, or throw him off right to the 4th floor. Now here's a few more things. There is the holes right here in every one of those cages. So as you can see, every cage has a special hole in it. Right there, there's a bunch of different small holes in it. So it makes it more interesting as attraction and a way for the fight itself to be a little bit harder, because there's all those holes that they can actually trip on. Here's a lion statue, and this is the 3rd floor, and he is the empress. He is, or the emperor, of course. He is watching all over this whole gladiator fight and arena. So the only mistake I actually did, I didn't actually include a canopy here, because if it rains, he's gonna get wet. Second mistake, I don't know how in the world he actually got here. So there's no way to know how he actually climbed. He probably did like a monkey style on this, or some other way. I don't know how he got to this 3rd floor. But the biggest issue here is of course the gladiator himself. He is the one who has this huge spike. Now he can easily defeat or even attack the emperor right there, and the emperor doesn't have any guards. So this is another mistake I did. So I should put 2 different guards right here to guard the emperor, just in case this guy gets some ideas and wants to get out of here. So he has 2 ways he can escape. 1, attack the emperor. 2, he and the other gladiator can team up and try to make it their way down the stairs, and they will have to go and fight the 2 guardians who are right on the bottom. They're kind of expecting somebody to try to come down the stairs or go up, and they of course are gonna fight them off. So that is the whole masterpiece that I created. I'm gonna just spin it around to show you how it actually looks like, and you can get ideas. Maybe you want to attempt to create something like this or something very similar to it. And make sure, if you really like this particular video and you really did enjoy it, make sure to subscribe, because I'm gonna have more of those videos coming back soon as well. So here is a few modifications I have decided to do after shooting the first video. First off, I put the guards all the way to the top of this tower. 2, I added spikes, as you can see right here. Those are actual spikes, and those are actually going to give those gladiators something to fight over. It's going to be more likely they can get hurt when they are fighting. So this is going to be a real gladiator arena. And also I added a canopy to the top for the emperor, so now he can actually be protected from the rain and other elements, and he has 2 guards to watch over him this time around.